Damn! My bird died, so I'm sketching Corey on his bird. It's a bird sketch.
Bird gang.
Bird.
Whole lot of bird gang shit.
Whole lot of bird shit.
Whole lot of bird shit.
Whole lot of bird shit. All right, so your boy just got a new phone. We got the iPhone 10, so I'm gonna be vlogging on this while here at Venice. I'm with Corey. Sean got left behind because his bird ate some shit. Vlogging on my new iPhone 10 because I haven't tried it out yet. I just want to see how this footage looks and how this image stabilizes and all that good shit. I'm here with Dan Corrigan. He's eating a crepe. Not that you give a fuck about that, but he looks pretty into it. We're gonna go skate this ledge. You can't really skate yet, right, Dan?
I mean, I can slappy, so I might be able to slappy something.
All right, that counts. That wouldn't have counted 10 years ago, but that counts now.
Yeah, thank God the times have regressed.
Yeah. Look at these fucking spots. I never knew were down the street from my house. This is grindy curve. This is sick. Yeah, dude, you're fine. See? You're good. As long as you don't ollie, you're fine. Dan doesn't really do that anyway. Wow, dude.
It's called style. Look it up. Seriously, this made my squad look so weak. No.
I'm scared.
Just go.
That was the extension. That's really scary.
Well, you gotta do it
Look
now.
at the cheese grater right there. I just did it. That counts, dude.
No way. You rode away like 2
This is
feet.
YouTube. This isn't a paid video
This
part.
is Instagram. Get up there. You're technically only dropping it on a 3-stair.
A 3-stair?
Yeah.
30-stair?
3.
Wait.
There's a 3-stair right there. Yeah, primo test. That lets you know how steep it is. Smart.
That counts, okay? That's better. That's fine. I couldn't go anywhere. All right?
Why are you defending this? Are you insecure about that drive?
I'm done with you.
It says a lot more about you than it does about me.
Went around him last time. Hell are you doing? The fuck is wrong with you? You completely fucking blew it, dude. Let's turn around. That's true.
Dude, back-to-backs in the sequence.
Yo, bitch, we need to make this video 10 minutes because we're at and stuff, so here's a surprise. Also, buy Slammin'. It makes you cool. But if you don't want to be cool and you want to be hot, also buy Slammin' because it also does that too. It's in the description. Link.
Hey, the sugar baby, saw you twice at the pop show. You taste just like